Good morning, students. Last day I discussed exercise 13.1 question number 1 to 6. I hope you all have understood that, and I have given some homework. I think you have completed this one. So today we are going to discuss question number 7 and 8 of exercise 13.1. Question number 7 is very important. It says Santi Sweet Stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. Two sizes of boxes were required. The bigger of dimension 25 cm into 20 cm into 5 cm and the smaller of dimension 15 cm into 12 cm into 5 cm. For all the overlap, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. If the cost of cardboard is rupees 5 for 100 cm square, find the cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. So here you can see there are two size boxes are there, bigger one and another one is smaller one. So we have to total we have to make 250 boxes of each kind. So we are calculating for bigger box, for making one box, how much area of cardboard is required. So for that I have used the formula of total surface area. It is 2LB plus BH plus LH. L is 25 cm, B 20 cm, height is 5 cm. So all the values are substituted. We are having 25 into 20, 20 into 5, 5 into 25. So 25 into 20 is 500, 20 into 5, 100, 5 into 25, 125. When all the three are added, we are getting 725. When it is multiplied with 2, we have 1450 centimeters square for making one box. But here it is given that for all the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. So let us calculate how much extra area of cardboard required. So we have calculated 5% for the overlap. So 1450, 5%, 5 by 100, we are getting 72.5 centimeters square. So for making one box, we need 72.5 centimeter extra cardboard for making one big box. So total surface area required for making one box is 1450 plus 72.5 centimeters square. When these two are added, we are getting 1522.5 centimeters square for making one box. Now we have to make 250 boxes of each kind. This means for this big box also we have to make 250. So this for area which is required for making one box multiplied by 250 is giving you 380625 centimeters square. Cardboard is required for making 250 big boxes. Now let us come to the small box. Now it is given that small box is 15 cm long, 12 cm wide and 5 cm height. So small box also total surface area we will calculate by the same formula, 2LB plus BH plus LH. So put the values. It is 15 into 12 plus 12 into 5 plus 15 into 5. 15 into 12 is 180, 12 into 5 60 and 15 into 5 is 75. When all the three are added, we are getting 315. 315 multiplied by 2 is 630 centimeters square. Here also 5% is required for overlapping. So let us calculate the 5% of 630. So 630 multiplied by 5 by 100, it is 31.5 centimeters square. This means for each box we need 31.5 centimeters square extra cardboard. So total area for one box is 630 plus 31.5 centimeters square for overlapping. So total we are getting 661.5 centimeters square area required for making one small box. Now for 250 box, this area will be multiplied with 250. We are getting 165375 centimeters square area of cardboard is required for making 250 boxes. Now let us calculate its cost. Now total cardboard required is 380625 centimeters square for the big box and 165375 centimeters square for the small box. When these two are added, we are getting 546,000 centimeters square. This much cardboard is required for making all the boxes. So now, according to the question, cost for 1000 centimeters square of cardboard is given rupees 4. So by unitary method we can calculate cost for 1 centimeter square is rupees 4 divided by 1000. We have to calculate cost for 546,000 centimeter square. So we will calculate it and we are getting rupees 2184 is required for making all such boxes. Now let us move to question number 8. Now question number 8 says Praveen wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car by making a box-like structure with tarpaulin that covers all the four sides and top of the car with the front face as a flap, which can be rolled up. Assuming that stitching margins are very small and therefore negligible, how much tarpaulin will be required to make the shelter of height 2.5 meter with the base dimension 4 into 3? Here base dimension is given. This means length is 4 meter, breadth 3 meter and height is given 2.5 meter. Since we have to make the shelter for a car, so definitely the base we will not make. Base means floor. So area of cloth required, in this area we will take all the four walls plus area of the ceiling, which I wrote here 2h L plus B plus LB. So h is 2.5, L 4, breadth 3 and length into breadth is 4 into 3. When you will calculate, you will get 5 into 7 plus 12. So we have 35 plus 12. So we are getting 47 meters square. So student, exercise 13.1 is over. So your homework is to make exercise 15A all the questions you tried. In my next video, I am going to upload one more video in which I will discuss the difficult questions of RS Agrawal. So you will see that video as well. Thank you.